Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental features, Create Location. Let's get started. What is a location? A location in the context of our module refers to a designated storage space within a hub where SKUs are stored. In Omniful, there are two types of locations, standard location and custom location. Standard locations refer to the locations where you can opt for a structured approach by selecting enabled entities, floor, aisle, rack, shelf, and location within the hub. The standard location is represented by a barcode with hyphenated entities. Custom locations refer to the locations without predefined entities. These locations allow users the freedom to define barcodes as they see fit according to their hub. Let's understand how a location is made. To create a location, navigate to Hubs and select your hub. Then click on Locations option in the Hub Setup section. Select Yes or No to know more about location. Click Next and select the type of location you want to create. Make sure to do the right selection as it is one-time setup. Confirm and proceed. You have successfully set up the location configurations. The next step is to upload your locations. Go through the instruction provided and download a sample file. Create a sheet of locations that consists of the location barcode, the location type, picking priority. Now upload the sheet. And click through Browse. Once the sheet is added, click on the Next. The locations created successfully will be visible in the dashboard. You can print the barcode for the location according to the default or custom size. Select the width and length. You can print selected barcodes, as well as all barcodes at once, and use it in Hub. The same setup is to be done for the standard location, with the default format provided by the system. And there you have it, the Create Location feature in Omniful, providing strategic division, nearest location identification, and customization for specific needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.